In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design posters in Canva. If you're new to designing or just looking for an easy, user-friendly platform to create stunning posters, Canva is certainly the place to start. Let's dive into the process step by step. First thing you need to do is head over to Canva's website. Open your browser and type in canva.com. Once there, look for the Login button on the home page. After clicking it, continue the process by either entering your login details or continuing with a pre-selected service like Google. If you choose to log in with Google, because let's face it, most of us do, it'll ask you to select your Google account. Simply select yours and hit Continue, and this will take you straight into your Canva account. Now let's get into the fun part, creating your poster. Simply search for poster in the search bar to load all the various poster templates Canva has to offer. You'll find a search button conveniently located right next to the search bar. Give that a click. At this point, a variety of poster templates will appear in front of you. Take a moment to scroll through them and pick one that sparks your interest. If you don't find the perfect match on your first try, no problem. You can exit and choose another template until you find one that resonates with your vision. However, if you're feeling creative and daring and want complete control over your design, this is where you could decide to start from scratch. To create a blank design, click on Create Blank. Pretty straightforward. Having opened your blank canvas, let's add some elements. Click on Elements on the left sidebar to search for shapes, lines, or even illustrations that might suit your theme. Once you find something you like, click on See All for a wider selection. When you've chosen your desired shapes or elements, use the 4 dots located around the element to reshape it. You can also drag the element to reposition it easily on your poster. Experiment with different shapes and arrangements until you find one that works for you. Now, it wouldn't truly be a poster without some captivating text. Go to the Text tab on the left sidebar and click Add a Heading to input your main text. Type in your desired title or message. You can always drag the text box to reposition it, just like the images and elements you placed earlier. Feel free to jazz up your poster further by revisiting elements for additional features or images you might want to incorporate. You can search for, select, and position these elements anytime. When including more text, perhaps bullet points or body text, simply click on Add a little bit of body text to provide detailed, informative content. Selecting bullet points is optional but can help organize information neatly. After you have typed out all the necessary details, click and drag the text boxes to arrange them neatly on your canvas. By the end of this, you should have a nice, organized, and visually appealing poster design ready to impress. With all your desired elements and text positioned just right, it's time to save and potentially share your masterpiece. So there you go, a quick, easy guide to designing posters on Canva. Enjoy creating your custom designs, and happy designing.